Hi, my name is Sandy Simpson from Apologetics Coordination Team, and this is a promotion for a DVD called Replacement Theology on Steroids. So as you can see, the root of this teaching is that Israel no longer holds the distinction of being the tree from which the root of David, Jesus, came. They're no longer the natural branches on which the Gentile Christianity, the wild shoots or wild branches, are grafted in. According to replacement theology, Christianity has now become its own branch apart from Israel, the natural branch, that produced the root, and all the promises of the Bible to Israel have been taken away from them and given to the Gentile Church. And this is why you hear so many false teachers taking verses out of context from the Old Testament and willy-nilly applying them to the Gentile Church. This methodology has been going on for decades in liberal churches, and has been popularized by many false teachers on TV. But the fact is that replacement theology is utter false doctrine. It denies promises made to Israel, some of which have already been fulfilled, and some of which are yet to come to fruition. But when you add the fact that the Inclusivist WCGIP proponents are now saying that God planted hundreds of different trees, cultures all over the world, that are not connected to the natural branch, tree, and root, you have what can only be termed replacement theology on steroids. You can get this DVD at www.deceptioninthechurch.com/steroidsdvd.html.